Chalo, sir. Chalo, chalo. So again, very good evening to all of you guys and welcome to Oliveboard. Am I audible, visible? Everything is clear? Everything is clear, sir? A quick yes or no. Audible, visible, everything clear, na? Chalo, sir. Chalo, let's start. Let us start, sir, so with the mock analysis of SSC CGL, the live mock of last week. Reena, very good evening, Reena. Very good evening, Reena. Audio, video clear. Perfect. Chalo. Sir, first question is this one, sir. First question is, sir, this one. The parallel sides of a trapezium 28 and 40 centimeters, and the area is given. What is the distance between the parallel sides? Height they are asking. They are asking the height only, sir. It's very simple. So it is half of this sum of these two, or the average of actually the parallel sides, the formula for trapezium. 28 and 40, so 68 by 2 is 34, sir. Into, sir, the distance between the parallel sides. I don't know, I'm taking DH, whatever you want to take. Arghamita, yes, let's see Arghamita. It is equal to Acha. Just for a second, understand this. Just for a second, sir, understand this. So these are all in centimeters. This is in meter square. So if we convert centimeter, sir, meter square if I want. So meter mean, sir, 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters, sir? 100 centimeters. So meaning it will be 100 into 100. But what I am asking you guys, na, you see the options, sir, values are all different. The values are all 4 options are different. So we do not, so what 0 we are taking, that does not matter actually. We are more concerned with the value. So I'm just taking 1156 or 0 vagera. These calculations I am not, like, I'll not do. Simply, sir, this is 17, na, sir. 17. Achha, let's do better calculation. This is 34 square, sir. 34 into 34. So if you do this, sir, this is 17 twos are this. So D is coming out to be, sir, 68. Arghamita, I am getting 0.68. I am getting 0.68. Have I made any mistake? अरे sorry, half. अरे extremely sorry. Oh, देखो मैंने पहले ही गड़बड़ कर दिया. So that was 68, na, sir. Half into 68. So this is 34. 34 and 34 actually cancel, sir. So the answer will be, sir, the answer is, so the 34 only. You guys are correct, not me. 34, sir. So 34 means, now see the options. Which has 34? The only option that has 34 is 0.34. That will be my answer. That will be my answer only, sir. Yes, sir, Khamit. I did the division twice actually. This average, I had calculated once, then again half I've written, like, I don't know why. Twice actually. So the answer to this question will be, sir, option number 3, that is C. Clear, sir? Next one. Next one. I've seen first 5-6 questions maybe of this week's paper, and it seemed very simple. This week's paper. This week's paper seemed very simple. The quant part, obviously. A sphere of radius r is melted and recasted. Sir, I told you this multiple times in class. Melted and recasted means, sir, volume is same. Same volume we'll get. Right? So meaning into a cone, meaning the volume of this sphere and this cone, they are equal. Sphere radius is this. Volumes are 4/3 pi r cube. That is equal to, cone means, sir, 1/3 pi r square. R is how much, sir? Radius of 3 centimeter. 9. H is, sir, 12 centimeter. They are asking us to find this r. Array, sir. Pi 3 cancels. And so this 4 is equal to, sir, 3. So 9 means 3 square into 3, meaning 3 cube. R is equal to 3, sir. R is equal to 3, sir. Option number A. Option number, sir, A. Yes, Reena, Arghamita, yes, absolutely, you guys are correct. You guys are absolutely correct. Very simple once again. Very simple once again, right? So that is your answer, sir. That is your answer, sir. Very quickly. थर्ड क्वेश्चन ये क्या है? सिंप्लीफाई। चलो सिंप्लीफाई कर लेते हैं। लेट्स सिंप्लीफाई सर। सर tan 45 प्लस थीटा, सर tan a plus b minus tan a minus b. No shortcuts required, sir. Go with this. Tan a plus b, sir, tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Now, if you are an advanced student, you should know this. You won't be writing this. You will directly write, sir, this is 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta. This is the value of actually this 45 plus theta. And similarly, by doing this, you can write, sir, this will be minus on top. In the denominator, it will be plus 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta. Sir, they are asking, there is like difference between them. Subtraction. So if you do this, LCM will be a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Options you see there are. So this either my answer is B or D. Let's see. B or D. Now, upar. Sir, upar will be, sir, this thing square minus this thing square. A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square is, sir, 4AB formula. 4 into A into this, sir. See the options na, sir. वो देखो 4 tan theta option B में बैठा है, sir. So answer is, sir, option number B. Again, Arghamita, yes, option number 2 is most definitely your correct answer. Option B is your correct answer, sir. This one, done, sir. Again, this logic, please, again, I'm saying, all of you guys, if you don't know this, make a note of this. Can be written as 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta. And if this is minus, then this is minus, this is plus. Okay, please make a note of this. This will be useful. This will be useful. Moving on, sir. Moving on to the next question, sir. Speed of the speed of the car and a bus and whatnot, and a car, bike, and bus. Okay, sir. Five ratio 4 ratio 3, sir. Bus covers 90 kilometer in 3 hours. So distance and time is given, means they are kind of giving you speed. 90 by 3, 30 kilometer per hour. That is the speed of the bus. That is the value of this 3, sir. Because, sir, bus is 3, sir. They are asking car. So they are asking about car in how much distance in 2 hours. So speed of car is 5 parts. 3 parts is 30. 5 parts, anybody can say this is 50. Speed is 50 kilometer per hour. So time is 2 hours. How much distance it will go, sir? 100 kilometers. Again, single line questions. Option number D is the answer. Yes, again, Reena, Arghamita, you guys are correct. Very good. Very good. Very simple questions. Very simple questions. And again, if you are liking the session, this is one request. Please hit the like button. It gives the session a little bit more reach. It gives the session a little bit more reach, sir. That's all. That is all, sir. Next one, sir. A merchant increases. I guess you guys can see this, na? और थोड़ा बड़ा कर दे क्या? A merchant increases the price of an article by X%, then offers a discount of X%. The answer will be X squared by 100%. You see AB theorem, simple AB theorem, sir. AB theorem. X% increment first, and then, sir, X% decrement. So X plus X minus X plus into minus minus X into X by 100. This much percentage. Gone, sir. It is always minus X squared by 100%. This minus means always this value decreases. Option. Sir, this is the question. It will be by 100. There was a little mistake in the question. Okay. Both the options, it should be X squared by 100 then percentage. So answer will be, sir, option number B here. Lowered, decrement. It will be, sir, decrement. Sheikh, yes, Shadab, absolutely correct you are, brother. But brother, it is, remember, it is always 100%. Same concept can be used if SP is same. Same concept, remember, can be used if SP is same here. Two products, if the SP is same, not CP. CP same, then the question is like automatically very easy. But if SP is same, two products were sold for the same amount, एक में से X% profit, on the other one X% loss. You can say the net profit or loss will be X square by 100% loss. That's a quick little shortcut. But again, there was a small little mistake in the question. It will be by 100. Kataria, brother, that's not possible, brother. For Hindi, na, I can help you in one way. I can speak Hindi. That's okay. छोटा मोटा थोड़ा मोड़ा आप you ask me, मैं बता दूंगा. But brother, this is an English channel. We also have a channel, SSC Coaching by Oliveboard. Okay. So please visit that channel. उधर मनीष सर करवाता है सर. मनीष सर जो है ना, he takes the mock analysis. I don't know the time slot, maybe in the morning most probably, जितना मेरे को पता है. तो आप एक बार उनसे like वो वाला चैनल you can watch if you want the Hindi content. This is a purely English medium channel. थोड़ा मोड़ा I can help. But again, brother, the primary language, I cannot just change the primary language of the entire channel. मैथ सिर्फ भाई मेरे को मैथमेटिक्स आता है. So this is given following bar graph, number of English and Hindi books for 4 years. Sir, इतना तो चाहिए. Sir, we need this much. Options I cannot see, so again help me with options, because once I write, I don't have option to like kind of omit. Number of Hindi books 22, 24, 25 together. Hindi means sir orange buildings. 22, 24 and 25. Sir, each gap is how much, sir? Let's see now, sir. 60 to 80. That means this total gap is 20, sir. Sir, 1 gap, 2 gap, 3 gap, 4 gap. 4 gap is 20, means each gap is of 5. Calculate like this, sir. That means, sir, 1 gap, 2 gap. That means this is 70, can I say? Because 60, 2 gaps upper. Up by 2 gaps. Again, sir, this one, 80, 2 gaps above, 90. So this is 80, sir, like this is 90, 95, sir. 3 gaps upper. So total is how much, sir? Total number of Hindi books, sir, 90 and 70, sir. How much? 160 plus 90, 250. 250 and this 5 means at 255. What percentage of total number of English books sold? 21, 22, 25. English means, sir, blue building, sir. 60 here. 22, sir. 80 से एक कम, sir. Meaning 75 here. 1 less than 80. 1 gap less than 80. So 25 means, sir, 1 gap above 60, 65. 65 and 75, 140. 140 plus this is 200. They are asking what percentage of this 2 to 255 is what percentage of 200, sir? Sir, in 200. So this is 125, this is 127.5%. Option, I don't know which one, whichever is having 127.5, that will be your answer, sir. That will most definitely be your answer, sir. That will most definitely be your answer, sir. Let's see, moment of truth. 127.5. Sir. Option B, sir. Option B, sir. Option B, sir. Yes, yes. Chalo. Solve for X. These equations, these questions, do not solve. Whenever you see this solve, the tip is don't solve. Do not solve, sir. बहुत टाइम लगता है. Sir, trial. Sir, x1, y2. Let's see, sir. 2 plus 6 not equal to 7. This is not the answer. You see, just by one equation, the smaller one. 2 into 1 plus 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 2, sir, 8. Sir, 8, that is not equal to 7. Let's see this one. X is 2, sir. 2 2s are 4 plus 3 2s are 1, sir. 7. Yes. Let's check the second one. So it is kind of most probably my answer. Let's see now. 2 threes are 6, minus 2 ones are 2, equal to 4. Yes, sir. Absolutely. I'll not do anything. B is my answer. B is my answer. B is most definitely my answer. कुछ भी नहीं करना है, sir. No need to do anything else. I told you, the biggest advantage, the biggest takeaway, sir, whenever they are asking us to solve, the first thing we'll do is we won't be solving, sir. We won't be solving, sir. Next one. Line graph, pens, pencils, and books. Chalo, sir, pens, pencils, and books. What is the ratio of total number of pens sold to total number of books sold by all four salespeople together? Total number of pens to total number of books. Pens is, sir, blue, and books is, sir, this or like green. So blue means, sir, 15, and sir, answer 8, 12, 7. So do one thing, 8 and 12, 20, 35, 35, 7 is 42. Now we could have used the options. Because 42 is 7 multiple, we could have checked. There is this one option I can see that is a 7 multiple. It might be the answer. Let's see. Books, meaning, sir, orange, like this green one, sir, 5, 10, 16, 5. Sir, 5, 10, 5 meaning, sir, 20, 20 and 16, 36, sir. That is the answer. 7:6. Sir, wahi mera answer hai, sir. Option A is the answer. Option A is most definitely the answer, sir. Let's see. Let us see, sir. Khul ja bhai. Just 7 we could not have done because there is another option having 7. So we had to do the both. So chalo, theek hai, no worries. बाप रे, बाप रे सर, तो देख के ही डर लग रहा है सर. Calculation. This thing, root over of 729. You guys keep on telling me the roots. You guys please keep on telling me the roots. आपका भी you will get a good revision. You will get a good revision, sir. I'll write all the roots from your end only. I need all the roots from your end only. So tell me, 729 is the root of what, sir? Square root of 729. 729. Baki will, like, I'll show you. 729 is square root of, like, what? 729, sir. 729 square root of 729 is what, sir? 20. How much? 27. Yes, absolutely. 27. And there is, you see, 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So if you take square root, 2 zeros will be gone. So this is by 100. So let's do one thing. Chalo, ye aise likhte hain. Into 1296 is square of what, sir? 1296, sir. 36. Yes, 36. Very good, Argamit. 36. Now this is, please understand, this is square root of 1296 by, sir, 100. Meaning square, it will be by 10, sir. By 484 square root of what, sir? 484. You'll say, sir, 22 का square होता है 484. How many zeros, sir? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So square root means I'll have 3 zeros from 6. Half. 324 is square of what, sir? 324 is square of what? 324 is square of what? Again, good revision. Quickly. Tell me. 324 is square of what, sir? Less than 20. Yes, 18, Reena. Very good. Very good. 18. Divided by, sir, 4 zeros. Meaning I'll have 2 zeros at the end. Into, sir, 11a. It is equal to, again, sir, 1024, sir, square of, I told you, I generally say this in class. So ये 32 होता है, sir. 2 at the end, sir, 2 zeros, meaning, sir, by 10 into 1296. Again we did it. 1296 was 36. Here it is 4 zeros at like 4 like numbers or 4 digits after decimal, meaning 4 zeros. Square root will have 2 zeros. 256 square of what, sir? Square root is 16. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That means I'll have only 1, 2, 3. 0, 4, sir. 2 zeros means, sir, by 10 into B, sir. Chalo, calculation. So 1000. 10, this is 10, sir. Sir, 100, 10, 10, 100. Gone, sir. 36, 36 gone, sir. Anything else? Anything else? No. 16 to 32 gone. Right hand side, nothing is left. 18, 9 twos are this, 9 threes are this. This 10 will go up. Do it 5. This will go up. Acha, this 11, this 2, sir. So 5 is going up, meaning, sir, 15 by 2 into A, sir. It is equal to B. They're asking what? A ratio B. Sir, A ratio B will be, sir, 2 by 15, sir. 2 ratio 15. Option, option, option. Option number C, sir. Option number, sir, C. Absolutely. Absolutely, option number C is your correct answer. So it was a lengthy, a little difficult. Like difficult, you see, this was not difficult by any sense of the word. But again, if you say lengthy, yes, it was lengthy, sir. It was most definitely lengthy. Lengthy तो था, sir. Right? थोड़ा ठीक है, क्या ही करेंगे? दे दिया लेंदी तो दे दिया. Sir, ABC, A angle B is 90. A is 30. Hypo is given. Area of ABC. A is, B is this. A, B, C. So this is 90, this is 30. AC is 20. अच्छा, ये तो बहुत सिंपल है. 30 opposite is 1 unit. This is a root 3 units. 30, 60, 90 triangle, sir. And this is always 2 units. This is always a 2 units equal to 20 centimeters. 1 unit will be equal to 10 centimeter. Root 3 units will always be equal to 1 unit is 10. So root 3 will be, sir, 10 root 3 centimeters. Sir, area is half into this into this. Sir, half into 10 root 3, sir. Sir, 5. So 50 root 3 is the answer. 50 root 3 centimeter squared, sir. Option number B, sir. Again, 30, 60, 90 triangle. Yes, absolutely, Argamita. This is 30, 60, 90 triangle. We do not need anything. वो trigonometry में जाना ही नहीं है, because this ratio actually comes from trigonometry. This ratio actually comes from trigonometry. Remember, this is the ratio for the sides having angle 30, 60, 90. The whole height and distance chapter can be done using this only one theory. Okay? Because 90% of the questions asked in CGL are based on this particular with 30, 60, 90 triangle. Yes, Shadab, you are absolutely correct, brother. Very, very good, brother. Very good. Correct. Sir, option के 50 root 3 आंसर था, सर. ये भी कोई क्वेश्चन हुआ? Sir, this is very simple. Very, very simple, sir. Very, very, very simple, sir. Sir, 4A ratio means by 5B. It is equal to, sir, 8 divided by 7, sir. हटाओ इसको, sir. Sir, A by B. 5 will go that way. Sir, 10 by 7 answer. Sir, 10 by 7, 10 by 7, option number 6. Option number, sir, C. It was a 10-second question, sir. It was a 10-second question, sir. Always in these situations, na, divide. Write it like a fraction. It is easier to calculate from there. It is easier to calculate from there, sir. Next one, sir. A chord length. हो जाएगा ना? Yes. A chord of length 12 centimeters subtends a 60-degree angle at the center of the circle. Okay. 60-degree angle means now always remember, if you practice enough, these things will come. This will be a equilateral triangle. Visualize, you will get the answer. Like I'll show you, don't worry. For those who doesn't, like who is not getting it, I'll show you, do not worry. Find the area of the smaller segment formed by this chord. This will be calculative, sir. Sir, this is one angle. So this is 60 degree. And also, sir, we know these two angles are always equal because these two sides are both radiuses. So that means this is 60, this is 60. Always remember this is an equilateral triangle. So if the length is 12 centimeters, sir, so this radius is also 12, radius is also 12, sir. All the radius are, sir, 12. Right? Now, sir, they are asking the area of this smaller segment. Area of this smaller segment, sir. गुड इवनिंग केमिस्ट्री मैं भूल जाता हूँ भाई आप लोगों का नाम you told me your actual name but again still I forgot but again good evening brother sir this area how to figure out sir this area can I say sir this is the area of the sector minus the area of the triangle sir area of the sector 60 degree है sir 60 means that this is 1/6 of the total circle. 60 by 360, 1/6 of the total circle. So it is nothing but, sir, 1/6 of pi r square. Pi r square means, sir, 12 square, sir. Because we know this is 12, the radius, minus the area of the triangle, sir, √3/4 into a square, that is 12 square, sir. Sir, do not calculate. 12 square is common, 144. 22 by, sir, this is 42. 6 by 7. Pi is 22 by 7. Acha, pi value, acha. No, I cannot do this. Because the options are not very close, but still, chalo. नहीं करते sir. Calculation जब करना ही है, तो keep it. Sir, pi is 3.14 by 6 minus, this is 4. This is, sir, √3 is 1.73. अच्छा, 1.7 ही दिया है sir. चलो ठीक है 1.7 only they have given तो काम करो सर by 2 भी common ले लो सर we are taking by 2 also common sir so it will be 3 and 2 it will be, sir, 3 and this will be 2 sir so this is 72 into 3 2s are 6 2 is 6.28 minus 3 this is 5.1 sir 3 17s are 51 calculations at 72 12 sir 12 times this is how much sir 1.28 1.18 sir so 12 into 1 is, sir, 12 plus 12 into 18 1 12 into, sir, 18 15 plus 3 15 minus 3 right 225 minus 9 sir how much is that 216 2.16 21.6 so 1 second 0.8 2.16 sir 14.16 is the answer option number A sir option number A yes again a little calculative but again still calculative was there now because they given you this value generally in these questions generally what happens these questions the answer they give in form of that pi only they don't really ask you this ठीक है but ठीक है चलो still like we kind of hit two birds in one stone calculation practice भी हो गया we did some calculation practice along with this so this question sir ABB sir this is a right angle triangle you see I guess the trick is over here only sir they want you to figure it out. So 7, 24 and 25, they are Pythagorean triplets. If you don't know, please know this. This is a Pythagorean triplet, sir. 24 square is 576 plus 49, that is 625. You can do this, you can check. So that means, sir, G is the centroid, Bapre. So right angle triangle and centroid, it has a very unique relation. Why? Let me say this. ABC. AB is, sir, 7. BC is 24. This is 25, sir. G is the centroid. They are asking length of BG. Okay, sir. BG length they are asking. BG length they are asking, sir. एक second. BG length they are asking. अच्छा, G is the centroid ना, sorry. G is this. वही मैंने बोला, ये तो बहुत सिंपल हो गया. The answer would be 25/2 if that was G. No, this is G. This is, say for example, D. Okay. So we all know one thing, you see, we all know one thing for sure, कि sir, this is 2:1, sir. Right? And also remember one thing, sir. This D point is also, sir, circumcenter for. This is, I told na, whenever you see there in case of a right angle triangle, they are talking about a median or the like centroid. Centroid means median only, median join, like median, they meets at centroid. So whenever they are talking about median, sir, this is midpoint. Sir, also we know circumcenter of right angle triangle is nothing but the midpoint of the hypotenuse. Midpoint of the hypotenuse. So that means this is this D point or AD. The length of AD is 25/2. The length of CD is 25/2. Sir, length of BD is also 25/2. You'll say, sir, how? Many can have this problem. Why, sir? Because circumcenter means there is a circle going on. This is radius, this is radius, this is radius. All are always equal. So BD is 25/2 centimeter. BD. So BG will be, sir, 2 parts out of 2 plus 1, 3 parts. So this is 2/3 of 25/2 will be BD, sir. That will be, sir, BD. Calculate कर लो सर 25/3. 8 whole 1/3, sir. Option number B, sir. Option number, sir, B. Everybody, this was a very good question. Very, very, very good question, sir. Remember, again I'm saying median of a right angle triangle. So this situation many times may arise. Ki sir, this part is equal to this side is equal to this side because this is a circumcenter, meaning there is a circle thing going on. There will be a circle thing going on, sir. If you do this. Absolutely clear, sir. This was a beautiful question. Yeah, question tha. This was the question where if you got stuck, it was okay. I would have said no, it's okay. I would have said no, sir, it's okay. This was a question where many might get stuck. रुको ना एक सेकंड, मेरा AC is disturbing. G is the center. G is the centroid. G is the centroid. So G we need, centroid concept we need just to get this 2:1. That's all. But the actual question is all about this circumcenter. To understand that this is the circumcenter. Once you know this, everything is clear. Clear, sir? Moving on. Option B is the correct answer for this question. Option B. D is the center, exactly. Circumcenter. Argameter. D is the circumcenter. चलो सर, we are doing which number? अरे बाप रे, अभी बचा है, हो जाएगा सर, don't worry. Sir, let's see. Find the college in which the number of students continuously increased from 1986 to 1990. ये बहुत simple. Sir, increment, decrement नहीं हो सकता sir. Not college. CEAB, I'll only check this. CEAB, only 4. Increment. हाँ, यही तो आंसर है सर. B है. Yes sir, B है. Option number D is B, sir. Option number D. Check the other ones as well. C and E, or let's check, sir. Increment, decrement नहीं हो सकता. E, sir. Increment, decrement. Not possible. So answer, sir, very, very simple. In simple words, the answer is, sir, option D. There is no possible, like nothing else is possible, sir. Nothing else is possible, sir. Oh, देखो आंसर है. It was a very, very simple, as simple as it gets. The average of 5 consecutive multiples of 7 is 63, sir. Find their sum, sir. 5 multiples of 7 means whatever multiple it is actually 5 numbers. 5 numbers ही होगा ना sir. So 5 numbers, average is 63. Sum they are asking, sir, sum will be equal to, sir, average into n number of numbers 5. 5 6 are 30, like 300, 3 5s are 15, sir. Sir, can there be any question easier than this? Can there be any question which you'll ask, sir, I need a easier question than this? There cannot be a question which can be easier than this. Option B is the answer. A fruit seller sells oranges, dishonest dealing, sir. Uses a false weight of 800 grams instead of a kg. Sir, always understand CP ratio SP in case of dishonest dealing questions. If you get this, you get everything. No formula, no shortcuts, nothing you need. If you can figure this out, that's all. Sir, 800 grams, please understand. Meaning, instead of 1 kg, he is giving you, say, I'm the dishonest seller. You asked me for 1 kg of thing and you paid me for 1000 kg of thing. That is 1000 rupees. Say, for example, 1 gram, 1 rupee. But again, I only gave you 800 grams na, because I'm using the false weight. Meaning from my pocket, I have given you what? I have given you 800 rupee worth of product. Because 1 gram costs 1 rupee. I have taken from you 1000 rupees, saying that I am giving you 1000 grams. But from my own pocket, from my CP, I have only given you this. Okay, sir. So this means this is 4, this is 5, sir. So ratio is 4 ratio 5. What they are asking? Profit earned. Sir, 4 rupees may 5 CP, 5 rupees SP. Profit is, sir, 1 rupee. Percentage, sir. 1 rupee profit out of every 4 rupees. Percentage is, sir, 25%. Percentage is, sir, of 25%. Option number B, sir. Option number, sir, B. Yes, Shadab, Reena, Arghamita, you guys are all correct. Absolutely correct, you guys are actually. Clear na, sir? Everybody clear? Again, I'm saying you do not learn. If you have not learned, do not learn dishonest dealing questions using formulas. There are 4 or 5 formulas, very popular. Again, this one formula works in one type of question, does not work in other. Another type works in that type, not in this. So again, no point. This CPSP, if you understood by concept, it works everywhere. Works everywhere. ये क्या है सर? Diameter. बहुत सारा सर्किल का क्वेश्चन दिया है आज. MN, you guys can see ना. चलो रुको, let me just expand this. Zoom this a little bit. I guess you guys can see it now. MN is the diameter of a circle with center O, and PQ is a chord. MN, center is O, okay. PQ is a chord such that MOP, PQ, MOP is 48 degrees. NOQ, it is 32 degrees. MQ and PN intersects, Papri. MQ and PN intersects at R. What is NRQ? NRQ means this angle. This angle can be figured out. Sir, if this is 48 degrees, na, ho gaya, sir. Not a difficult question. Looks only difficult. Sir, if this is 48, sir, this is, can I say 24? You will say, why, sir? You will say, sir, why? Please understand, this is your central angle, and this is your angle on circumference, and also I can say this is also, sir, 24, because both are angle on circumference. 24, sir. अच्छा ये वाला ट्रायंगल ले लेते. You can either take this triangle or this triangle, both works. Sir, if this is 32 now, sir, this angle. Sir, again you see same, this is half of this is 16. This angle is the external angle of this triangle. You see this triangle, external angle is, sir, this one, sir. So this will be equal to 24 plus 16. The answer will be, sir, 40 degrees. Option, ये देखो option number A. Option number, sir, A. Option number, sir, A. Is it clear, sir? Is this clear? Not a very difficult question. Very, very, very simple question. Like you want me, like everybody clear? If you want me to write, like draw this once again, I can do that. ये थोड़ा घिचबिच हो गया. चलो एक और बार बता देते हैं, sir. So this was the diameter MN. There was a chord PQ. चलो ठीक है, मैं ना बहुत जल्दबाजी कर रहा हूं. MN, this is O, sir. PQ is a chord like this. Okay, this is our point. This angle is given as 48 degrees. This angle is given as 42 degrees. Sorry, 32 degrees. This is given as, sir, 32 degrees. They're asking you to find this angle, sir. They're asking you to find this angle, sir. Again, sir, if this is 48 degrees, now, sir, I'm taking this triangle. Please understand. I am talking about this triangle. So this angle, if this is, sir, 48, this will be half, 24. Again, sir, if this is a 32, sir, you take this. This is central and this is, sir, angle on the circumference. This will be, sir, 16. And, sir, in this triangle, you see, this is the external angle, sum of opposite to internal angle. So this will be, sir, 24 plus 16. So 40 degrees. Now the diagram looks neat and clean. Neat and clean. Conceptually, yeah, not very, no, it's very simple. Not very conceptual also. Clear, sir? Clear, sir? चल, मैंने 2 बार कर दिया. So nobody should have any problem, right? Anyone having any problem, please ask me. Please ask me. Jivesh, अरे thank you, Jivesh. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, brothers. चलो चलो चलो. ये भी क्या है, sir? Partnership. चलो sir. Partnership देखते. A and B started a business by investing 280, 240. Acha. They agreed to distribute their earnings in the same ratio as their investments. After a year, the profit was 650. Acha, they will distribute in this ratio. So, sir, this ratio is what, sir? Sir, 6 fours are this, 7 fours are this. Sir, baki to zeros you can get rid of. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 28, 24 meaning 7 ratio 6. That means this 650,000 they will distribute among themselves. A and B, they will distribute among themselves in this ratio 7 ratio 6. So 7 plus 6, 13. 13 parts is equal to, sir, 650,000. 65 something. So one part, zeros I'm not counting, is 5 something. So 7 parts will be 5 times 7, that is 35 something. Now I'll put 4 zeros. And 6 parts are 5 into 6 are 30. Now you put 4 zeros. So that much A and B now have, like from the business. Each of them added 50K to their respective profits and invested in another project. So 50K here, 50,000. 50,000 here, sir, in B. So now A invested 4 lakhs, B invested 3.5 lakhs. Acha, project yielded 4.5 lakhs. A share in the profit. Baap re, itna profit. Koi humko bhi do. Right? Someone give me this, sir. Sir, again 4 ratio 3.5. Sir, 5 sevens are this, 5 eights are this. So the ratio of the profits will now be distributed. The profit sharing ratio will be, sir, 8 ratio 7. Sir, 450. Sir, 8:7 means total is, sir, 8 plus 7, 15 parts. 15 parts is equal to, sir, 4,50,000. Again, sir, 4 zeros will 45 something. So one part will be how much, sir? Sir, 15 threes are 45. 3 and something means 4 zeros, sir. So 30,000 rupees one part. Now they are asking A share. A share is 8. So 8 parts will be, sir, into 8. So 3 8s are 24, 4 zeros, 24, 4 zeros. There is only one option having 24. That will be my answer. That will be Jivesh. Sure, brother. Jivesh, you are like, I recently took, like, invited one of the candidates, like, into my house. If you have seen the Tushar's interview, Tushar's interview was done in my house only. And this is there in this channel only. That was the complete Bengali interview. First time in this. So if you're a Bengali, we can definitely do that. And if you're English also, like, I can do like talk, but again, Bengali means you will live very close to my house mostly. Sir, pass fail questions. Pass fail questions. Whenever you see pass fail questions, this type, remember, always make your equation on passing marks. Always make your equation on pass marks. So there will always be two situations. So pass marks equal to pass marks. Pass marks from situation 1 will always be equal to pass marks from situation 2. Karo sir, 50% of the marks and fails by 20 marks. So what is the pass marks? Sir, 50% is not enough to pass. I need to add 20 more marks to make it your pass marks. 50% is still not enough. 20 marks short. So if I add 20, I'll get my pass marks. Here 60% someone scored. So passed by 20 marks, meaning that 20 marks more than the passing marks. So pass marks ke liye, I can subtract 20. Sir, this is also pass marks. This is also pass marks for the same exam. It has to be equal. Sir, calculate, sir. Take this to this side, take this to this side. So 10% would have been 40. What they're asking? Maximum marks is always 100%. So 100% will be, sir, 400. Option number D, sir. Option number sir D. Option number sir D. Haryana, Jivesh, okay, I'll go to Haryana to take your interview. Okay? But again, promise me you will get selected. वही तो हम चाहते हैं भाई, मेहनत करो. Give your all, give your 120%. मेहनत करो, you get selected, everybody will come. You don't then need to go behind anyone. Everybody will come. Okay? Sine alpha plus beta is 1. Sir, anybody can say 1 means, sir, alpha plus beta is 90 degree. Tan alpha is 1 by root 3, meaning, sir, alpha is equal to, sir, tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. Sir, beta value is, sir, beta is, sir, 60 degree. Tan beta meaning, sir, tan 60 meaning, sir, root 3, sir. Nothing you need, sir. Option number 3 is the answer. Option number C is our correct answer. Yes, Arghamita, you get selected. I'll take your interview. I will take your interview. Promise. Okay? Just give your 100%. I always say to everyone, just give your 100%. Okay? This is very, very, very important. This is very, very, very important. Selection lena, that's most important. You take your selection. You see, you are doing like some hard work. We all are doing some hard work, right? Faculties, like teachers, whatever you want to call it. Everybody is like doing their part. Why? Because you guys can, so that you guys can get selected. Perfect. So that's all. That's all. Sir, factors. Sir, this is a question from a straightforward factor theorem. Factor theorem ka question hai, sir. Sir, what to do? Sir, if this is a factor, so if I put x equal to 1, this expression has to be 0, sir. So if I put x equal to 1, so 1 cube is 1 minus p plus q. It is equal to 0, sir. The other equation, second, this is also factor, meaning if I put x equal to 2, then this will be again 0. 8 minus 2p plus q, sir. That will also be 0. Do not solve. Check the options. Check the options, sir. P5, Q6. Like 5 minus 5 plus 6 is plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, not 0. This won't be the answer. 7 ये हो सकता है sir. 7 because minus 7 plus 6 is minus 1. This might just be the answer, sir. This is matching the first option. You see? First, second equation, sir. 8 minus 2 into 2, like 7, sir. Minus 14 plus 6, 8. Yes, sir. 8, 4, 8 and 6, 14, sir. This is 100% my answer, sir. Option number B. Do not solve. Do not solve. Once again, I'm saying, please do not solve, sir. Please do not solve, sir. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Very, very simple question. अरे पागल हूं मैं. B is the answer. Next one, sir. Next one, next one. Time and work, time and work. अरे चलो सर. P is 75% more efficient than Q. Who can do 1/5 of the work in 14 days? So Q 1/5 in 14. So one part in 14 times 5, that is 70 days. So Q takes 70 days to complete the work. Sir, what is the efficiency of P and Q? 75% more. Sir, 75%. This means, sir, 3 by 4. This means 3/4. Sir, ratio of efficiencies. So this means if Q's efficiency is 4, P will be, sir, 3 more than Q. So 3 more than 4, that is P will be, sir, 7. So total work is, sir, Q is doing 4 units every day, takes 70 days to complete. Total work will be, sir, 70 times 4, sir. That is 280 units. This is total work. Now what they have done? PQ work together for 20 days, then what part of the work will be done? Acha. So total, if they work together, every day they complete 7 here, 4 here, total 11 parts. They have worked together for 20 days. That means they have completed 220 parts. How much fraction? 220 out of total is 280, sir. This much is done, sir. This much fraction is done. This much parts. 0, 0 gone. 2, 11, 2, 14. 11 by 14, 11 by 14. Option number B is the answer, sir. Option number, again, Arghamita, Reena, you guys are absolutely correct. Again, sir, you guys are absolutely correct, sir. Absolutely correct, sir. Absolutely correct, you guys. 100%. 100% correct. 100% correct, you guys. Very, very, very simple questions once again. Right? So 11 by 14, option number B is most definitely your correct answers. 2 vertical poles. Next question. 2 vertical poles are 20 meters apart. The shorter, one is shorter, one is longer. Shorter is 6 meter high. Chalo banate na, sir. From its top, from the pole of, like, top of the shorter pole, angle of elevation of the taller pole is 30 degrees, sir. This is 30 degrees. This is given as 6 meters. This height. And they are 20 meters apart. Meaning, sir, this is also 20 meters. Because it is a rectangle. Now, the height of the taller pole. Sir, height of the taller pole, this much height, we all know. Because if this is a rectangle, the bottom one, so this is 6 means this is also 6. We don't need to take pressure, we just need to solve. Now, So just I need this. I just need this much, sir. Again, sir, 60, 90, 30 triangle, sir. Sir, this is 30. Opposite is, sir, 1 unit. And, sir, this opposite is, sir, root 3 units. So, root 3 units value is, sir, 20. Root 3 is, sir, 20. So, 1 will be, sir, 20 divided by root 3 units. So, that means the answer will be, sir, wo dekho beta. 6 plus 20 by root 3, option number B, sir. Option number B, sir. 6 plus 20 by root 3, option number, sir, B. Yes, Arghamita, Reena, Vigneshwaran, perfect, perfect. Everybody, you guys are clear. Absolutely perfect. Absolutely. Very, very, very good. Perfect. हो गया, sir. So option B is the correct answer. चल 2 question बचा है, last two, sir. In how many years? Nearest, अरे अच्छा, compound interest, nearest integer. Do not use formula. That will be the biggest mistake of your entire life. Whenever you see these two words together, okay, this is a very special type. This is a very, very special type. 5,000 rupees amounts to 7,200. Sir, how much is the percentage? 5,000, like this is 7,200, meaning, sir, interest is 2,200. Interest is 2,200, meaning percentage is, sir, 2,200 out of 5,000 into 100. So it is coming out to be 44%. You see, 5,000 meaning 4,400 out of 10,000. 4,400 10,000 means 44%. Now, sir, 10% per year. In how many years will you be getting 44%? Lagbhag. Lagbhag in how many years? Like kind of approximately in how many years at the rate of 10% you get to 44%. Because always remember, 10% compound interest will be a little bit more than that. So 10%, 2 years may it should have been simple interest 20%. CI it becomes 21%. 3 years may it should have been 30% in SI. CI may it becomes 33.1%. 4 years may, sir, it will actually become this. So just more than 40%. So the answer with 100% certainty will be B. Again, if you start solving and you expect I'll get exactly 4 years, no, you will not. Yes, absolutely. But again, Arghamita, not exactly. Actually, 20% in 2 years becomes 44. Okay, but exactly, not exactly, you will not get 44. Not exact. But that is why this nearest integer word is there. The killer combination in CI, remember always, like put a star mark into this question. Very important question. Very, very, very important. Sir, last question of the day. 2 alloys A and B are mixed in this ratio. Alloy A has metal X and Y in this ratio. B has metal X and Y in this ratio. Acha. Sir, nothing can be easier. You see, 1 plus 1 is 2, that is given. 2 plus 1 is 3, that is also given, sir. Can you guys see? Can you guys see? So, meaning, sir, please understand. A has metal X is to metal Y, 1:1. B alloy, this has metal X ratio metal Y, 2:1. Now, if I am taking 2 units or 2 kgs of this, because they are mixed in 2:3, 2 kgs of this. That means, think, I'll have 1 kg of X, 1 kg of Y, because total is 2, na, sir. And if I take 3 kgs of this, because 2:3, so I'll have 2 kgs of X, 1 kg of Y. So the total is same, means I can directly say, sir, X will be 1 here, 2 here, 3. Y will be 1 here, 1 here, 2. That is X ratio Y, sir. That is X ratio Y, because total is same. And if total was not same, we could have manipulated the ratio to get it same. So my answer will be 3:2. Option number B, sir. Option number B, sir. That is your answer. That is most definitely your correct answer, sir. Last question, 3:2 was our answer. And that is where we end our session for the day. So again, if you have loved the session, Please do hit the like, and definitely we have also launched the booster batch just now. Okay, if anyone is interested, just a quick update on this. We have just launched our booster course. So for those who have done a basic level of preparation, booster 1.0 batch is for them. If you have already done your basic level of preparation, you need the the fine tuning, just the last lap. So you can have an, or your preparation was on hold for a few days, few months, you want to kind of restart, then this will be a lifesaver for you. So again, thank you so much for joining us. I'll again be seeing you guys at the same time of 5 o'clock with the NTPC mock. And thank you so much for joining. Till then, till tomorrow, please take care. And again, have a good night. Bye bye. Take care.